Hey, welcome back to another video. So today we'll learn how to install NextJS, Shadcn, and how you can change the default language, okay, language font style, okay, in NextJS. So this is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe or you can share to your friends also. We have good, amazing videos, okay, unfiltered, unscripted, all videos, okay. So let's get started. So we'll go to documentation of Next.js. Okay. So basically, let's start with the definition. What is Next.js? So basically, Next.js is a full-fledged framework. Okay. For front end and back end, you can do both here. Okay. So this is a simple definition of Next.js. Okay. So let's install Next.js. So you can search Next.js. Okay, on Google. You will get the go to the doc section, installation. You can go to the installation, project structure, layout, all. So today we'll dealing with the installation process. Okay. So there is some system requirement as well. It should be node 18 plus. Okay. So if we search here, node minus v, mine is okay. Mine is node 20.80. Okay. So we are well to go. Okay, and same might be some for Linux as well. Something will be there. Okay, now automatic installation is all there. You need to put one command and it will done everything. You just answer few things, and there is a manual installation, hard way you can say. You can do both. Okay, so as of now we'll go with a terminal one only, and especially we are going with the npx. Okay, instead you can use bun also, little bit fast. Okay, so directly we will not install. Okay, before that we will check the version, which version we are using, the Next.js version. Okay, it's why it's good in the sense, if in future if any dependency doesn't work for other like latest version, so you can know which version you need to install. Okay, so it's like 15.17 and you're installing any packages which doesn't support 5.17 or the latest one, so you will be aware of which version you are installing. So that's why. Okay, later on you can check. So now it's time to install. Okay, so let's me copy again. Okay, paste it and let me open my VS Code. Yes, so we'll go with the latest one only. So if you're installing for the first time, might it will take some time to install because it will ask some few questions. So you want or this one. Okay, so as of now, by default your project name will come my app. You can go with this one, just press tab. It will take it. Okay, now if you do you want to use TypeScript or not, it's good to use TypeScript because if you are developing full-fledged software, so for that many developers will be there, so it reduces the error rate. Okay, so go with the TypeScript. ESLint. Okay, no need to explain. I guess you already know ESLint. Basically for the, like, let's go. Tailwind CSS, of course. Yes. So good question here. Which directory you want to use? SRC directory or app directory? You can go with either of it. There is no much thing. Okay, you can store all your file in SRC. You can store all your files in app directory. If you select SRC here, yes, you will get the SRC folder. If you select no, you will get the app folder. You can go with anyone. We'll go with the SRC. Okay, app route recommended, so go with this. Okay, turbo pack. So basically I didn't use turbo pack, but it's saying it will increase the speed of your local development. You can go, you can no need to go, you can go. Okay, with the tab you can switch. Okay, yes, no, yes, no. So let's go. Okay, okay, so would you like to customize the import alias? Okay, so basically this one is in sense, if you go with the default at the rate. So if you press uh, at the rate and then the file name, it will directly go from the source directory. Okay, so that's what that mean actually. Okay, so you can change. Okay, instead of you want to use hash, you can go with a yes and then you need to set the default. Okay, no need to do. Then later on might if you face some other issue. Okay, other developers are using at the rate, then might be. So go with the default one only. No. Okay, So these are installing the dependencies, React DOM, and Next. Okay. After then, installing dev dependency as well. So if you're installing for the first time, it will take some time. Okay, and if not, well, to good to go. Okay, and after that installation, we'll go with the SATCN. Okay, SATCN UI library, UI. Okay, so here is also the same, nothing much, but here you will get the option of PNPN, NPN, YARN, and Bun. Bun is a little bit fast. Okay, but most of the developers are using NPX, so we'll go with the NPX as of now today. Okay, and I will tell you once. Oh, nice. Because I have done installation many times, so that's why it's little bit fast. Okay. So let us see. We get this app. Go to my app. Okay, it's my app. We'll have all the folders. Okay. So let's see our. Okay, we have our app. Okay, src folder. Okay, src folder is there. If we didn't select the src, we'll get the app folder. Okay, now go to package.json. Here is our dependencies. Okay, so dev dependencies also all are there. Now let's start with let's run this project. Okay, so as of now we are in folder structure. So how to start? Good question. Npx run dev. Okay, run dev. We'll wait, proceed, yes. Okay. Yeah, sorry. npm run dev. Okay, now it's installing. Yeah, I guess we can access this our local development on internet. I guess that's why Turbo Pack is used. Okay, we'll go with the local host only as of now. Oh shit. Press Control C. Okay, we'll go here and search localhost 3000. Yeah, our local development app is running. Okay, now let's install the setcn. Okay, so same, uh, the way we install the nextjs, in that way only we'll install the nextjs. Just copy this npx command. Okay, okay, should we cancel? Okay, let me check any other tab we can open. New window. Okay, okay, no worry, we'll cancel this one and we'll start it again. Okay, in it, let's see. Here also you need to answer the questions. New York or default? Default New York. People prefer New York, so you can go with the New York. Neutral, gray, zinc, stone, slate. Uh, I will tell you how to do the default one. If you select gray, okay, let's go with this. I'm not sure why I'm getting this one. You can do this. You can go through, but it will install. Let's. It will take some time because here you will see if you check, they will create some dependency, tailwind config and all, package dependency, compose.json. They will do these things. Okay, so that's why it takes some time. Okay, now let's run this our nextjs app again. Let's see. You will see some changes. As of now, this is a dark color. Okay, now we will get white. I don't know why it is, but it by default it will not give a black. Okay, so I will tell you how you can make it black. Okay, dark mode, no worry. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go inside app directory. Okay, there is some page. Okay, there is called page. Okay, let me full screen this one. Page. Okay, and there is a layout. Okay, in layout, go to html. I will tell you what is all this layout and page, why we are doing here only. Okay, why we are doing here only. So just name class name and give dark. Okay, save it. Now see, all dark mode. Okay, so this trick recently I got, so I thought to tell you. Okay, now let's what next. We install the Next.js Shadcn. Now one more thing, what you can do, there is extension called TLDR. Okay, what you can do now, just write Next.js dot tldr. Okay, it will create a fresh empty canvas. There you can do all these things in your folder structure. Okay, so just for local, you need to take some notes and all. You can do it here, or else you can take in a readme file as well. Okay, so here you can do arrow and all. So this thing, the extension is tldr. Okay, tldr. TLDR, yeah, this extension you can install. Okay, yeah, you can do lot of amazing things here. Okay, so for your understanding, now are done. The last task is how you can change the default. Okay, default thing. Should I cover this or next video? Okay, so basically what I want to say is, if we go to layout.txs. Okay, so currently we are using this just sans. Okay, font. Okay, this font we are using, but we want to use some other font. Okay, as per the requirement. So how you can do this one, I will cover this in the next video. And how you can create a custom tailwind files. Okay, like not file, you can say custom component. Okay, this will cover in the next video. See you in the next video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, like, share with your friends and all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.